Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Saya English Learning Pod. I'm Miranda.
And I'm Marco. It's great to be here with you all today. We're going to talk about something that's super relevant if you're trying to understand modern English speakers.
Absolutely, Marco. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of modern English slang. It's constantly evolving, right? 1 minute something's in, the next it's, kind of chuggy.
Oh yeah, chuggy. That's a good one to start with, actually. It means something that's a bit outdated or basic, but tries too hard to be trendy, My sister used that the other day, and I was just like, okay, that's a new one.
Exactly. It's hilarious how quickly these things change. So let's kick off with something you probably hear a lot, especially on social media, cap and no cap.
Ah, cap. So cap means to lie or exaggerate, right? If someone says something unbelievable, you might be like, that's cap. And then no cap means, no lie or for real. It's pretty common now.
Yeah, it's really versatile. You can say, I'm telling you, this pizza is the best, no cap. And everyone understands you're being totally serious.
Speaking of serious, or not serious, what about bet? That's another short one that popped up everywhere.
Oh, bet! That one's fun. It means, okay, agreed, or even, yes, I can do that. So if I say, hey, can you grab us some coffee? You could just respond, bet. It's quick and efficient,
Yeah, it's super casual. I use it all the time with my friends. Another one that I heard a lot, especially in dating contexts, is ghosting.
Oh, ghosting. That's unfortunately quite common. It's when someone suddenly stops all communication with you. They just disappear, like a ghost. No explanation, no goodbye, just silence. It's not very polite, really.
No, it's definitely not. It's kind of frustrating, actually. And then there's Riz, which I think is a shorter form of charisma, isn't it?
Yeah, you got it. Riz refers to someone's skill in charming or seducing others. So if someone has good riz, they're really smooth and good at talking to people they're interested in.
So that guy has serious riz, or his riz game is strong.
Exactly. Or you can say someone is rizless if they have absolutely no charm whatsoever. It's a bit brutal, but that's how it's used. And then there's slay.
Oh, slay. That one I think has been around a bit longer, but it's really had a resurgence. It means to do something exceptionally well or to look amazing.
Yeah, you totally slayed that presentation. Or your outfit tonight, you're slaying. It's a huge compliment. It implies you're doing something with such confidence and skill that you're just, absolutely crushing it.
I mean, it just shows how dynamic English is, especially with all the new terms popping up from pop culture and the internet. It can be a lot to keep up with for sure.
It really can. But that's why we're here on the Saya English Learning Pod, to help you navigate it all. Learning these slangs helps you understand everyday conversations and just feel more connected, I think.
Totally. So if you're hearing some of these terms for the first time, don't worry. You're not alone. It just takes practice.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Sia English Learning Pod.
Yeah, thanks for joining us, everyone. Keep practicing your English, and we'll catch you next time.